question, do I still like my LG Velvet? And there's no problem opening up this Twitter app. It opens up smoothly and the scrolling is still smooth. You can see as I'm scrolling between these apps, there is no lag. It's still as smooth as it was the first day I unboxed it. As you can see, it still takes nice, crisp, beautiful pictures. And with the LG Velvet, you do not have to worry about not being able to see the screen outside. As you can see, this is max brightness and it looks awesome. There is no bezels showing on this device whatsoever. It's curved. You gotta love this screen. You gotta love the 6.8-inch display. I'm really enjoying the LG Velvet still to this day. Overall, I still do recommend this device. You'll love it.